Hi and welcome to Willard Library's virtual Crafternoon. Today we're going to be creating mini envelope Valentine cards. Let's start with the supply list. You can request a free craft kit at the Adult Services desk at Willard Library while supplies last. First, you'll need the mini envelope pattern printed 4 times on a piece of 8.5 by 11 paper. One blank greeting card, this one measures 5 inches by 5 inches. A corresponding envelope. An assortment of miniature hearts. These were cut from discarded book pages and cardstock. 1 pair of scissors. A small piece of scrap paper. An ink pen to sign your Valentine greeting. And last but not least, some glue. Liquid glue or a glue stick will work. Start by taking your pair of scissors and cut around one of the envelope patterns. Now you will want to carefully cut around the solid lines of the pattern. After you've cut out the pattern completely, it's a good idea to go back around and clean up any black lines that are still showing along the edges. Go ahead and pause this recording now and cut out the remainder of your envelope patterns. Once all 4 patterns are cut out, you're ready to fold your mini envelopes. Use your fingers to fold each section right above the dotted lines. The printed side of the envelopes will be glued onto your card, so we don't want those dotted lines to show. Carefully run the side of your scissors along the folds to make your edges super sharp. Once all 4 envelopes are folded, you're ready to glue them to make the pockets. Start by overlapping the 2 side panels. You'll notice that I'm barely using any glue at all. You just need a tiny little dot. After the side panels are glued, place another small dot of glue on the center and fold the bottom panel upwards. Clean up any excess glue and hold the envelope in place until it dries. As each of your envelopes is drying, it's a good idea to slide your scissors into the pocket just to make sure that the envelope isn't glued shut. Now take your blank greeting card and lay out each of the envelopes. Make sure that all 4 envelopes will fit on the front side of the card only. When you're ready, drop a small amount of glue on the back of each envelope and set in place. Now we're going to use some of the heart cutouts to decorate the front side of the card. Again, it's always a good idea to lay out your design first before you glue it down. I am going to close 2 of my mini envelopes while leaving the other 2 open, but feel free to make your design look however you would like. Once you're happy with the layout of your design, glue it in place. A tiny amount of glue will do. Here I'm going to take a piece of scrap paper and cut it to size so that it fits inside one of the envelopes. If you like, use this paper to write your own personal Valentine message. Ta-da! Our mini envelope Valentine is complete. If you're feeling extra fancy, use any leftover hearts to decorate the outside of the envelope as well. Just leave room for stamps and your Valentine's address. Wishing you a happy Valentine's Day from all of us at Willard Library. Thanks for watching!